What y'all think about that? Short dressed man. Name of old ZZ Top. Song back in the 80s. Growed up listening and watching videos of ZZ Top, but I thought I'd drop me a short dressed man. I reckon he'd go on to get married or something. Or anyhow, took about an hour. About 20 minutes to pencil him in, another 10 minutes to ink him in with the micron pens, and then the rest of the time with the copic sketch markers. Anyhow, shoot, I like it. Turned out pretty good. I might went out of bounds a little bit. It don't matter. I think it looks pretty good. What y'all think? Let me know. It's old Brado. And I think that done a really good job. I'm happy with it. Y'all like it? Leave a like and the old thumbs up if you don't mind. Leave a comment. Let me know. Yay or nay. Ain't military, but didn't supposed to be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.